How to add an HDR effect in CapCut. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, open up the CapCut application on your device and make sure that you open up the project that you want to add the HDR effect on. So after selecting on the project and the area that you want to have that effect on, you can just select on the effect option over here at the bottom of the screen, then tap on video effects. After that, you can just search for HDR over here in the search bar. Then you'll be able to see different options that are available in context to HDR over here. So as you can see, there's no specific term or effect named as HDR. You can have different other options. We can have 4K HDR and HDR, but it is in the pro version right now. So you have to have a pro version of CapCut application, otherwise you'll not be able to use this feature. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.